for SC status. We demand Dalit Christians for SC status. We demand Dalit Christians for SC status. They are suffering even a one-day meal even today. They are the laborers in the fields. They are the slaves in the houses. So the people needs a religious freedom. If the Balakrishnan Commission is given SC status for the Dalit Christians, it is a more.
We are all from different parts of India and mostly from Andhra Pradesh, demanding that Justice Balakrishnan Commission, which was constituted by the government of India, give a favorable report that Dalits who are converting into Christianity should be accorded SC status. It is a gross injustice that is happening to Dalits, that if they convert to Christianity alone, they lose their SC status. Why not the same measure that was taken for example, for the Sikh community who do not have a caste system? They were accorded SC status. Similarly, Christians do not have a caste system. So why not use the same measure to accord SC status to Christians? When we say India is a democratic and secular country where freedom of religion is promised by the Constitution, why are you curtailing the freedom of religion, of changing one's faith into Christianity by stopping whatever measures and guarantees that the scheduled castes have? How will the life of a Christian change overnight by just becoming a Christian? How will discrimination stop? How will untouchability stop just because he has become a Christian? Once he becomes a Christian, he doesn't live in a church 24 hours. He has to go back to his house, go back to the society where he has come from and live in that society. And will the society say, okay, he has become a Christian today, so let us stop discrimination. He has become a Christian today, let us stop untouchability. No, they still look at him as a Dalit because that is the stamp that has been imprinted on him from generations from where he comes from, his family, where it belongs to. So we say that caste system is not a religious system these days. Caste system is a societal system. So if it's a societal system, then surely change of religion should not have any impact on that. So we demand that Balakrishnan Commission should look at this aspect, because there are many international bodies also which have recommended this. The international human rights have made recommendations about this. Many commissions have been constituted, many reports have been presented, but still the government says we want more information. The Registrar General of India, who is the key person to actually endorse this matter, to actually take it forward and say Dalit Christians should be accorded SC status, they are not speaking a word. How did they accord SC status to Sikhs? The Registrar General of India said they can be accorded, so they were given. Why not the same measure? Why is that Registrar General of India being quiet on this issue is what we are asking. So this day, we have come from so far, not because we personally need guarantees, not because we personally need protection, not because we personally face discrimination. It is because of the lakhs of people who are facing this across India, the lakhs of people who are facing this in Andhra Pradesh. We demand justice for them. We demand religious freedom for them. We demand SC status for them. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah.
గమనించండి, ఈరోజు భారతదేశంలో నుండి అన్ని రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది చేరున్నారు. దళిత క్రైస్తవులకి జరుగుతున్న అన్యాయాన్ని ఈరోజు ప్రభుత్వం దృష్టికి, ప్రజల దృష్టిలో తీసుకురావడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం. దళిత క్రైస్తవులు ఎవరైతే క్రైస్తవ్యాన్ని స్వీకరించారో అటువారికి ప్రభుత్వం తరఫునటువంటి పథకాలన్నీ కూడా లేకుండా చేస్తూ వారిని ఎస్సీ జాబితాలోకి తొలగించడం అనేది చాలా అన్యాయం అని మేము తెలియపరుస్తున్నాం, ప్రశ్నిస్తూ ఉన్నాం. ఈ రోజు వారికి న్యాయం జరగాలి. దళిత క్రైస్తవులైన వారు దళిత వాడలు నివసిస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళకి వివక్షణ పోవడం లేదు, వాళ్ళకి ఆర్థిక పరిస్థితులు మెరుగుపడడం లేదు, వాళ్ళకి చదువుల్లో వాళ్ళకి ఉద్యోగాల్లో ఎటువంటి వస్తువులు అనుకూల పరిస్థితులు వాళ్ళకి లేవు. కేవలము క్రైస్తవ్యాన్ని వారు స్వీకరించినంత మాత్రాన, యేసు ప్రభుని వారు నమ్ముకున్నంత మాత్రాన వారికి స్థితిగతులు ఏమి సమాజంలో మారడం లేదు. అలాంటి పరిస్థితుల్లో కేవలం క్రైస్తవులైనటువంటి కారణాల చేత వారికి ఎస్సీ రిజర్వేషన్ సంబంధించినటువంటి చాలా అన్యాయం, ఇది అక్రమం. దీని విషయంలో తప్పకుండా ప్రభుత్వం ఆలోచన కోరుతున్నాం. మరి బాలకృష్ణ కమిషన్ వారు ఏర్పాటు చేశారు, వారు కూడా ఈ ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ అన్ని కూడా దృష్టించి తగిన న్యాయం చేయాలని మేము కోరుతూ డిమాండ్ చేస్తున్నాం.
హిందీలో ఉన్న మాట్లాడుతుంది హిందీలో
Can I speak in Telugu, my language? Yes. Okay. So, and then I will speak personally. The leader is going to speak. This issue is raised by our leader, Oliver Roy. He is an AP State Christian Leaders Forum founder and president. He is fighting for this issue since 1 year, and he submitted the memorandum to the Balakrishnan Commission. Because all the SC, ST people are oppressed and living in the Harijana if they are, even though they are going to the church service, they are worshipping the Lord Jesus Christ only, but that they are living in a very poor and poverty line. They are suffering even a one-day meal even today. They are the laborers in the fields. They are the slaves in the houses. So the people needs a religious freedom. If the Balakrishnan Commission is given SC status for the Dalit Christians, it is more favorable to the SC and the ST people, those who are living away from the cities, away from the villages. They are suffering for the food and clothes and everything now. So in this stage we demand the SC status for the Dalit Christians. The Dalit Christians are asking and demanding entire the country. They are demanding the SC status. If they provide, it is favorable to the BJP government. The SCs goes to support the BJP government. If the SC people get this SC status, entire the country SC people going to gratitude the BJP government. So we request our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, please grant us SC status for the Dalit Christians. This is your third time you are elected as a Prime Minister and ruling my country. This is very great privilege. I thank you for that. You are giving many good things to the people in India. Also, we are also citizens of the India. Also, we are demanding our rights. Also, we are demanding our rights because of Constitution rights have authority to ask anyone. So, in this stage in the Delhi, in the place of Jantar Mantar, we are demanding SC status for Dalit Christians. Thank you, Modi ji. Thank you, Balakrishnan ji. Thank you for granting us SC status. Thank you very much.
Demand SC status for Dalit Christians. Dalit Christians must have religious freedom. We demand religious freedom for Dalit Christians. We demand SC status for Dalit Christians.
Thank you.